how to analyze questionnaire using association or chi-square test. To do this, we can go to SPSS, analyze, and then tables, custom tables. So let me just reset this. And I will move the variables to the rows and one variable to the columns. And then I can hide this count if I want, or I can include it, or I can just transfer it in the rows like this. Hide. I can just play a little bit with the position as well. Click test statistics and choose tests of independence chi-square, and then OK. And here are the two tables. We have the contingency table along with the chi-square that is significant. So there is a statistically significant positive association of the items most of the time. Thank you and see you soon.